And now the only true way to determine that we are Igbos or not is through DNA. And we have intellectual people, including Ikwereans in diaspora. Now, I decided to make this video because I want us to come to conclusion. And in order for us to come to conclusion as Ikwerre people, once again, my name is Chimeno Amadi. I'm from Ikwerre. I'm an Ikwerre. The denial and the conflicting result of some set of people in Ikwerre land are saying that they are not Igbo. Some set will come up and say, we are descendants of Benin. Some set, when you ask them, they will come up and say, no, we are not Igbo. We are not also Benin. You can see how conflicted this thing is, and it's causing us a lot of problems. Our children are being disgraced on a daily basis. Our children are being mocked on a daily basis. Even us, within us, we know that something is wrong somewhere. And now the only true way to determine that we are Igbos or not is through DNA. And we have intellectual people, including Ikwereans in diaspora. Don't we have Ikwereans in diaspora? Those that are not mixed blood. Those that are not mixed blood. The Ikwerre people that are not mixed blood. When I say not mixed blood, those that are complete DNA. DNA will not have. Those that are DNA. The ones that their forefathers and grandfather, great-grandfathers did not marry from outside. Those that did not marry from any other tribe. Those are the only people that should be permitted to conduct a DNA test on them to ascertain our true ancestry and our heritage. Isn't that every time the Obaka Ikwerre comes out to at least declare this open so that people go on there to make a DNA? Because even if you come up now and make a DNA test and prove it that we are Igbos, they will still deny. Our people may end up denying it. So I am calling on Ikwerre, great men, intellectual people, those that know what is on ground and what is at stake. So much is at stake here. The continual denial of the Ikwerre people is costing us a lot. It's costing us a lot. So much mockery, so much dissatisfaction, so much humiliation is ongoing in Ikwerre land. How can you send your child to school, and when your child goes to school and come back, he start asking you, Daddy, where are we from? And your child is Nwachuku, and your child is Chinedu, your child is Okembado, or whatever name you gave to him, which are all Igbo names. And when the child comes, you now start telling that child that no, we are from Benin. Does that name has anything to do with Benin? Does the culture that we practice have anything to do with Benin? Our faces, look at my face very well. Just look at my face very well. Is this not how an Igbo man's face is built? Is this not how an Igbo man's head is built? Can't you see? Are you not seeing the way I am? Do I look like a Benin? When you bring a Benin man and position here where I am now, what are they going to do? Is the face going to look the same thing? Sadly, the face is not going to look the same thing. My face is different. We are built differently. Our faces are built differently. The way our eyes and everything, the way we talk. Now I'm saying that the only means to ascertain our ancestry is for us to simply go for a DNA test. And I challenge anyone that can do that. Before you do that, your DNA test, you must ascertain that you are a complete DNA. So that we will not have your blood, your mixed blood all over, proliferated everywhere. Your mother, your father, your mother is a mixed blood, or your mother is a mixed blood. You now go and do a DNA test, and the DNA test comes out to be a Benin. We will not accept that kind of nonsense. That is not a true identification of the Ikwerre man. But if you come and contest it with me, because I am a Dieli, I am a Dieli, a son of the sun with no mixed blood. I have no mixed blood. attached to me. No mixed blood. My father, my mother, my grandfather, my great-grandfather, Akujuru, they were all Iwuroha, Odegun people. They were all Odegun people. In fact, they did not marry from any other tribe. So if you want to contest your DNA, I am the right person to contest. Me that is telling you that we are Igbos. Me that is telling you we are Igbos. I'm the right man to tell you because my father, my parents, and everyone, grandfather, great-grandfather, all of them are Iwuroha people from Rumewa. In the part of Rumewa that my father came from is where they call Mbuakre. This same Mbuakre is also everywhere in Ikwerre land. Everywhere in the southeast. Everywhere in Edo, we have Mbuakre. To show representation of what I'm saying, that it is true that we are Igbos. All the names in Ikwerre land, all the names of our community, all of them reflect in southeast. Go to southeast, all the names still reflect in southeast. If you have Ishokpo, you still have Ishokpo there. If you still have Rumukrushi, you still have Umukrushi. If you have Rumawa, you still have Umuawa. If you have, all of them are replicated in the southeast. All our Ikwerre villages are all replicated in the southeast. So who is coming to deceive us? We are not Igbos. No one can deceive us anymore. Go and do your DNA test. Once you do your DNA test and it proves that we are from Edo, I will drop this movement. I will drop it. I will no longer call myself an Igbo man. Me, Chimenuoma Amadi, I will no longer call myself an Igbo man. Bring the DNA test, and through which that DNA test must be conducted through a complete DNA like me, who does not have a mixed blood in my lineage. I do not have a mixed blood in my lineage. So it is people like me that should be allowed to contest or to go and conduct a DNA test. Call me anytime. I'm ready. So that we will know this thing and so that everybody can go and rest. We are tired of this denial. The shame is too much. It's not shameful that we are look at how we are disgracing ourselves. Our children everywhere are disgracing themselves. Disgracing them. Are we not supposed to monitor our children?